Hi, thanks for purchasing our machine. Now this video was taken to guide you how to assembly machine free. Yeah, there is a cabinet with metal sheet. Now when you get the machine, it was unassembled. At first, you need to collect this free with screw. Yeah, this screw knocked here, and then when you finished. When you finish, you will get this shape, and then locked machine body with free. Use this trickle, yeah, these 3 screws, and locked at this side. At the behind of the machine, there is also a trickle, and locked with 3 screws. Then machine is ready to use. Yeah, very simple to assembly machine. Thanks again, and see you. Goodbye.